name is Innisha. I am of class 9 from SADAV Public School, Noida. Today, I am going to present my views on the topic, if I could design a school. Intelligence plus character, that's the goal of true education. As we all know, schools play a crucial role in child's cognitive, psychological and social logical development. If suddenly I got unlimited resources, in reality, I would definitely design a school, which is my dream. The likely location could be in proximity to nature, woods and forest. Also, it would be art-based. The school would emphasize kindness and teach students to have good seva towards this earth. I hope hiring enthusiastic, diligently education folks in art, maths and science would be a priority. There would be no test, no grade. Food would be grown in the school campus itself and would be served as a part of curriculum. The school would engage students in raising animals and to be vegetarian. I did like to teach students by learning by doing and having service at its core. The room of the school will have full sunlight enter the room, and along with engaged learning, students boost up their immune system. Schools would not only take care of the physical and technical needs of children, but also would provide them with medical health support, and they need to be safe and secure. My school will be an actual school of learning rather than a school of deception, where I can see children walking around with amazement all over their faces and hungry for learning. At the last, I want to say, my ideal school. The children will be outdoor focused, full of adventures, community based, always ready to serve those in need. No time boundation, so many choices for play based education, real life projects, keeping in mind their passion and interest. I would conclude by saying, learning is the treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Learning is the treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Thank you.